Hello students, welcome to the grammar video lesson on basic intensifier. In today's lesson you will learn what are basic intensifiers and how to use them. In this lesson we are going to see what are intensifiers, common intensifiers that are used, how to use intensifiers, some practice exercises and where to place intensifiers and a practice exercise on that. So let's get started with what are intensifiers. Intensifiers are words used to make an adjective or adverb stronger or more intense. You very well know what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or qualifies a noun like big, small, nice, good, bad, large, young, old. All these are adjectives or adverbs. You know about adverbs also. In the last class, we have seen about adverbs. Adverbs are the words that qualifies the verb, that gives more information about the verb, how the verb is being done. So intensifiers are words, they make the adjective or adverb stronger or more intense. For example, you see here, the movie was very interesting. Now here the subject is the movie and you have a helping verb here, was. And how was the movie? Interesting. Interesting is an adjective. How interesting? Very interesting. If you just say interesting, it's normal. But when you say very interesting, it means it was very, very good. So to add or to make it more stronger, we use intensifiers. Now let's take a look at another example. She is extremely talented. Now here she is the subject, is a helping verb again, and talented. What is talented? It's an adjective. It shows the quality of a noun, that the girl is talented. If you just say talented, it means she might know some things. But if you say extremely talented, means she knows many things and she can do everything with perfection. So did you understand now? Very, extremely, these are called as intensifiers and they are used to make an adjective or an adverb more stronger. Now let's take a look at some common intensifiers which you have to use when you are writing. When you are speaking, they are normally used when you speak and it's not very much advisable to use them in writing. Now, very, what is the first one? Very. It is used to make something stronger. For example, very cold. In the class you say, no, very cold teacher, please switch off the AC. So when it is cold which you cannot bear, then you say very cold. Now, if it is so cold that you can't sit even for 5 minutes also, then you can use extremely. Like when it is extremely cold, you cannot sit there. Also, when it is extremely hot outside, you cannot go outside. So extremely is used to make things even stronger than very. Okay, very good means okay, a bit stronger. But if you say extremely good means better than very good. Okay, again another word is so. It is usually used for showing your feelings. If you feel about something, I'm so excited, I'm so happy, it is so beautiful, it's so nice. So when you are sharing your feelings, you use the word so. And the next is really. It is an informal way, but it is also used to show a strong feeling or for strong things. For example, really fast. I write really fast. I read really fast. I walk really fast. So really is an informal word, but you use it while you speak. So these are the common intensifiers: very, extremely, so, and really. Now, using intensifiers, how to use them in the sentence. If the sentence has an adjective, Place the intensifier before the adjective. For example, the test was very difficult. The test is a subject, was is a verb, difficult is adjective. How difficult? Very difficult. So this is how it is used with adjective. She is extremely smart. So there is a girl who is smart, means intelligent. How smart? Extremely smart. So it is used to intensify the adjectives. Now let's take a look at how it is used to intensify adverbs. He ran so quickly. So he is a subject, ran is a verb, quickly is adverb. How he ran? So quickly. So this so is an intensifier. They spoke really loudly. Though it is written as Really, really, but you when you say it, you say it in a fluent way like really. Okay, they spoke really loudly. Now here you see they is a subject, spoke verb, how they spoke loudly, so adverb. How loudly? Really loudly. So really is an intensifier, so it is used both to intensify the adjectives and to intensify the adverbs. Now let's take a look at a practice exercise. You can pause the video, think about the answers, and once you're ready, play the video and check your answers. Let's check the answers. It is very cold today. Now, if it is stronger than that, you can say extremely cold today. Okay. For feelings, excited and all, you use so. She was so excited about this trip. And for informal ways, he drives really fast. So these are the answers. If you have got these answers, then well done. You're right. So let's check again, where do you place them, where to write them. So when you are using the intensifiers in your sentences and while speaking or writing, it should be placed before the adjectives and the adverbs. Like she is very tired. Tired is adjective. So you put the intensifier very before the adjective. In the next sentence, he sings so beautifully. Beautifully is an adverb. So is an intensifier. So it is placed before the word beautifully. Now here is another practice exercise. Pause the video, think about the answers. When you get the answers, play the video again and check your answers. So these are the correct answers. She was really happy with her new job. Feeling, she feels. So whenever you're feeling, can say so or really. The food was so delicious. It's extremely hot outside. Okay, these are the correct answers. If you got those, then well done. So thank you so much. Watch the video again if you don't understand anything. Okay, and I'll be sharing the link for the exercises to you, and open the link and do the exercises. So see you till we meet next time. Take care.